Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sharkpad 7 Pro and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's begin with opening the dialer, thanks to which you can open your contact list or you can simply open the contacts, it's up to you. Here tap on the three bars icon in the left upper corner and tap on contacts. So now we need to find the contact that we would like to edit and tap on it. So I'll pick this one. And here choose this edit icon, so pencil icon. Let me quickly, I cannot really remove it like that, but that's okay. Basically, you will not see anything here, so just some kind of icons. And we will focus on changing the picture, so the photo, which is right here in this circle. However, I also highly recommend to set the calling card. Here, remove picture. All right, so this is what you will see. I also recommend to set the calling card, thanks to which you can also customize this incoming call screen, which is great. You can just add something to the background. All right, so let me just tap on this plus icon here, and we've been transferred to different sections from which we can choose the photo from. So the device photos, where we can enter our own gallery and choose our own photo, or we can open the camera app and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. Google Photos, which are backed photos, so I'll just omit that. We can also use monogram, so you can use 1 or 2 letters if you want to. It's maximum. Here you've got also the background color, you can change it. Here you've got also the font, so you can find something interesting. Also, instead of monogram, you can also use emoji here. So just tap on it and tap on the circle, because here you can choose from all of the available emojis. For example, this one. Again, you can change the background color. Moreover, maybe this one. Moreover, here you've got this monochrome option. So now you've got emoji itself. But after tapping on this switcher, your device will make it more icon-like, which is also a quite nice effect. And here, illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online. So if you don't have a photo of this person, you don't feel like you want to use monogram, you can find something here that maybe, I don't know, resembles you about this person. Or, I don't know, maybe it's the profession, maybe it is their hobby, whatever. Sky's the limit here. You've got a lot of collections here, as you can see, a lot of categories. Fish, mythical creatures, grassland and desert animals, domestic dogs and cats. So a lot of things here. So I'll pick maybe this one. And as you can see, much more options. They are really beautiful. They are nice. Also, we had this one, so maybe I'll pick this one. Is cute. So let me tap on it. A pair of giraffes. After tapping on it, you can change the presets. So you can change the colors that will be applied to the animals. But what is great, you can also change it. I mean, change the colors on your own. Just by tapping on this icon here, right in the middle, you've got the categories. So for example, in this case, sky, forest, and giraffes. So for example, sky, I think I would like to set it like the colors of the sunset or something like that. Maybe not the best, but let's pretend that it is great. Tap on done to confirm. The forest, I think maybe something more yellowish, because it kind of resembles me about the savannah more. Maybe something like that. Okay, tap on that. Let's pretend that it is pretty, okay? And the giraffes, I think I would like to set them maybe a little bit. No, it's too green. Here it's too. All right, just leave them, or maybe just make them blue. Because why not? Because we can. And tap on that. So as you can see, you can really customize it, which is great. Moreover, if you want to, after tapping on this icon, you can zoom it in or out, and the same option will appear if you're using the photo. So you can just move around this picture. You can change the size of the circle, zoom it in or out, and thanks to it you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. All right, so position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose. Tap on save. And this photo will be visible right here in this contact info on the contact list, and for example during incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.